How are you, sir? You can press there.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine. I take it you don't speak Afrikaans?
I don't have good Afrikaans. I read a bit.
Oh, I noticed when Honorable Souls was speaking Afrikaans to you, a surprise. Just clear me here on these questions. Firstly, if you were to advise the president, how soon would you advise him to fire Minister Mchunu? It's a question.
Chair, may I be excused from answering this question, if you don't mind? I don't think it's sort of really within my mandate here at this committee.
Are you really sure?
You can proceed.
Okay. No, the reason I'm asking this is that, you see, on Mr. Hofmeyer, when he left here, he said he's proud of the Seven administration, that we are the protectors of South Africa. So as you come here with your proposal, which we appreciate, and also thank you for your time that you put on your proposal, we must really scrutinize what you are telling us here. So I am starting there because I want to understand, if you were sitting with the president, how soon would you advise him to fire Minister Mchunu, based on what you've seen and observed in the country? I take it that you wrote this proposal judging the country, the entirety of the SAPS and the minister. I take it you wrote this document because of that. So I'm asking, how soon would you advise the president to fire Minister Mchunu? Unless you wouldn't. Is your interest for South Africans?
Sorry, I'm just, I'm not in a position of advising the president.
If you were?
And I'm not clear whether Minister Mchunu is currently the minister or not. It's a bit unclear to me as to exactly what the current position is.
What are the chances that your proposal is not fully researched? Because I noticed that most of your staff here speaks of international relationships. We should learn from other countries, Australia and all that. So are you well vested in South Africa?
So are you, I'm not quite sure where your questions are going to. Do you want to?
I'm just trying to establish.
I'm a researcher. I've worked here for 30 years.
Yes.
What do you mean by fully researched, if I can ask you that? Because, the level of information that's available out there,
yes,
is enormous. And I never engage with all of it.
Okay.
So try and work in a responsible way and do my best. But I'm not. I could never be claimed to be the
best.
On top of everything that's been written or published about any particular topic.
Okay. The thing is, you said that the minister might have not breached. So I'm thinking you are well vested of the topic you are talking about, which is the minister. So you should know whether he's fired, or he's suspended, or he's still acting, or whatever he's doing. I take it you should be knowledgeable on that note, on that subject.
Okay, that's okay. If you do take that's.
Now I'm asking.
I accept that.
Okay. Do you know the current status of Minister Mchunu regarding his employment?
My understanding when I've tried to clarify it is that I've got various different answers. So I'm not entirely clear what the current status is.